O that's mama. O kana. So meaning that sign, wala na. That's informal sign language or ISL. Okay? So yun po yung tinatawag na ISL na hindi po siya formal, hindi po siya mama like this. Ganyan po siya. Okay? So laba og buhok or mataas yung buhok na nasa bahay. That is mama. Okay? So ganun po yung datingan. So yun po yung tinatawag na ISL. Okay? So this is the FSL mama and this is the ISL. I know, it's not the ISL or that is my ISL. Ako po yung gumagawa lang nun para magkaintindihan po kami. And your papa naman, ganun po yung papa. Okay? Yun po yung papa. Yung father po yan sa FSL. Pero nung ako, hindi pa po nila alam sa informal sign language ko po, ganun po yung papa nakin. Ganun po yung papa nakin. Yung cut ang buhok, tas yung dun sa bahay. Ganun po yung datingan sa ISL. So again, to sum it up, yung FSL po talaga, mayroon po talagang group of people na nagko-collaborate sila to agree the specific sign po talaga of the specific thing. And also, they will going to teach it, no? Sa mga interpreter, maggagawa sila ng training para sa mga interpreter. And they're going to teach them how to do it. Okay? So, meron po talagang formal na datingan. The ISL or the informal sign language, dun po yun pumapasok ang survival signs, gestural signs, or home signs. Okay, ganun po siya. That's informal sign language. Okay, so ginagawa or ginagamit nyo po yun for you to survive those specific kids na hindi pa po alam yung FSL. So everyone talaga, pag yan po yung term. Everyone po talaga, pag hindi pa po alam ang FSL, nagiging ISL po sila. Okay? Gumagawa po tayo ng paraan na makikipag-communicate po tayo sa deaf kahit hindi natin alam if our sign is the right thing. So, maunang, that's why I'm really keep on telling people, na mga sa hearing community, no? For those aspirants there na wants to help deaf community, have the passion to help deaf community, I really told them that it's not important for you to learn all those FSL signs because it's not the thing. You should have the eagerness and you are brave enough, no, to just really try to just communicate them because ISL is existing, right? Meron pong ISL. You can just do the sign, whatever, everything it takes just to make the deaf community understand and it's acceptable and it's okay. Mauna siyang datingan. So, mauna siya. Again, FSL and ISL, what did you learn? You can just comment it down below. Thank you so much for listening. I hope to see you again. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.